Hi friends, in this video I will explain you what directories and files are created when you save the test, UFT test. So I have already saved the test over here, and you can see that GI test 1, test 2, test. These are some of the tests that I have saved. So when you save the test, actually there is one directory that is created, and inside that directory you can find these particular folders or directories. So each time you execute the test, the result folders are created. So I'm gonna delete this some of the result directories because I don't need them. And action 0 is always created when you save the test, and action 1 is also created when you create a new test. So you can add another action 2, action 3, action 4, like that in your test. And action 0 contains the sequence in which the actions should be called. So if you open the script.mts file inside action 0 directory, you will notice that there is a statement like run action 1 iteration. And if I had say 3 actions, then there would have been these particular statements 3 times, like action 1 after by action after that action 2, action 3. But you can alter the sequence in which these statements are there, so that those actions will be called before in that particular sequence. So these actions are executed in the sequence that are given over here. So for example, if you have run action 1, then run action 2, and run action 3, then action 1, 2, 3 will be executed in sequence. But if you want to execute say action 1 after action 2, you can put it like this, action 2, and then after that you can put it like action 1, like that. And then in this case action 1 will be executed after action 2, and similarly you can like alter the statement or the sequence of the actions. And let us go back, and then let us see the directory. So this is for the results. So if you open this, there will be one reports directory, and then there is an underscore results.html, which contains the report of your test execution. And in the action 1 directory, there is object repository resource.mtr, which contains the details about the actions, the resources that action uses, like shared repository, etc., which is a binary file, both of these, so you don't need to worry about them. The script.mts is the script file. You can view that this is the normal text file, and you can open it in an editor and view the file. So it contains the actual code of your action. And the snapshots directory, it shows the snapshots of the application if you have taken using the report event method. Then we have got default.xls, which file contains, it's nothing but the data table of your tests. So when you execute the test, that particular data table will be loaded in your test. So if you open that, as you can see, it has got two sheets, global and action 1. So when you load or run the test, this particular data table will be loaded into your UFT. And these are some of the other settings or the files related to the test. Another important files are like .tsr file. .tsr file is nothing but the shared repository file. So when you export your objects from your UFT test, so let us say you go to the object repository, and then if you export the objects, so if you export the local objects, then tsr file is created. So that is one extension that you might need to remember. And then another extension that is very important is a recovery scenario extension. So .qrs file is created when you try to save any of the recovery scenarios in your UFT test. So these are very important files. Another file is QFL and VBS. So QFL file is useful when you want to save some of the library functions in that file, and you can attach that file to your test by going to the settings and then clicking on the resources. Over here you can add the function libraries and just browse to your library file. Like here you can have VBS txt, and similarly you can have TFL file as well, which you can attach to your test. So these are some of the extensions and the directories that you might need to know about the UFT test. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please hit like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel and Also visit www.softforce.org for more tutorials and updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.